Alrighty, Dave, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got done dyno it. Everything went good. Give you a description of this combination. It's got the FR cylinder heads on it. It's a solid roller motor. We have that custom grind by comp cams. Real nice set of band lifters, pressure fed rollers, custom J&E pistons. It's got the front sump oil pan on for you. It's got the Q750 on top, MSD Pro Billet distributor. It's got the March serpentine belt set up on it. Take you inside there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down to 3,500, 480 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque's 545, and power 603. We rated it 600. It's got a front end on it, so that's pretty doggone good. Now go back, pull pipes back, rub it up, make sure it's good and clean. Get it in a crate, ship it your way.